This is a quick tour of a deluxe studio room at the brand new, beautiful Riviera Resort at Walt Disney World. Love the split bath. A lot of beautiful touches in here. Feels very modern, upgraded. We love having this kitchenette in the room. Makes a huge difference when you're traveling. Over here under the TV are those famous beds we've heard so much about. Folds out very easily. Comes right out. You can see the great artwork in there. Nice raised bed. Plenty of room for your luggage underneath. So nice coming and staying somewhere where everything is brand new. Nice little patio area outside. Little sitting area. And back over here to the sofa. I'll show you how this bed comes down from the wall pretty easily. Some great artwork in there as well.